In this video, we will walk through the basic setup of SourceLink for NAVLINK package export. Before we begin, ensure the SourceLink prospect, survey, and desired maps are set up. We'll start with process types. First, create a source process type from the File menu under Process Maintenance. Enter a description for the process type and select Acquisition Type. This is used in the NAVLINK package to define stack fold for vibrosize, weight drop, or airgun processes. Enter the record length and select OK to continue. Next, go to the Acquisition Settings tab for Distance Setup. Here is where the user will specify the maximum distance a unit may be from the source flag to start acquisition. Ensure each unit that will operate on the crew has a unique unit ID. Unit IDs can be verified from the unit's display. Open the Units window and add the crew's units by selecting Add New Decoder. Enter the first unit ID, select unit type, then add. Next, open Groups. Click Add to create a new group or Modify to manage existing groups. Then fill the information for each source group. In this exercise, we are creating a source group for each autonomous shooter. For simplicity, we will create group IDs to match each unit. Some fields such as encoder are not required for autonomous boombox mode. Note the group ID and associated unit columns when finished. Next, connect the unit to the computer using the supplied Ethernet cable. Navigate to the BB3 RTM3 decoder parameters window. Verify correct parameters. To ensure all autonomous boomboxes have no overlap in shot times, users must correctly set parameters in Autonomous Mode Settings. Start by adding all active units in fleet to crew by clicking Setup, and move all active BB3 units from unassigned to crew. Check listen time and operating hours before sending parameters. Use Compare after sending parameters for each unit to ensure all parameters were received correctly. The direct connection and communication status icons indicate current active status. Any fields highlighted in red indicate a mismatch and may require sending again or additional action to rectify. Verify all programmed units on crew have correct autonomous mode settings on the unit's display. On the top right should read AUT. The bottom should display correct values for RL, which indicates record length. D for the number of decoder units, boombox 3s, in crew. And the last field is a parameter checksum that should match on each programmed unit in the fleet. Using a boombox 3 on crew where parameters are not matching the rest may result in a shooter overlapping shots. NAVLINK packages allow easy setup and data transfer for different applications used in the field. In the NAVLINK tab, users may import production packages or export a NAVLINK package. Select Export Setup Package. If prompt, complete fields and select Export. If a USB storage device is plugged into the computer, the NAVLINK package will automatically export to the USB root directory. Otherwise, the user may select OK and specify a local directory to export to. Thank you for watching. For more information on Seismic Source products and applications, please visit the Seismic Source website.